Resin Masterpiece by Tuba. Hello everyone! Let's make something different. Taking ratio 2:1. This video is best for the beginners in easy steps. Remember, don't forget to wear gloves. Protect your hands. Mix it well. I am gonna dividing it into parts. Adding some gold flakes in one part. It is so sticky. Using brown mica color. Mix it well. Don't forget to clean mold. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Hope you guys learned from this video. You can add any color pigment you want. Using heat gun to pop up some bubbles. Mix, mix, mix. Ignore the mess behind. You can add up any design you want. Three tier with 3 brown shades. Will demoed after 1 day. Time to demold. Wow! Balance the edges. Tip: clear the molds with tissue or with clean cloth. You can also preserve 3-tier into 2-tier. How do you like it? Tell on comment section. Thank you for watching.